Goat! How are you?
Hello, Finn. I'm a little bit sad
Why?
because I have to learn the numbers from 1 to 100 until tomorrow, and I don't know any of them.
Hey, don't be sad. Let me help you with that. Just repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29,
29,
30,
30,
31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
36,
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49,
49,
50,
50,
51,
51,
52,
52,
53,
53,
54,
54,
55,
55,
56,
56,
57,
57,
58,
58,
59,
59,
60,
60,
61,
61,
62,
62,
63,
63,
64,
64,
65,
65,
66,
66,
67,
67,
68,
68,
69,
69,
70,
70,
71,
71,
72,
72,
73,
73,
74,
74,
75,
75,
76,
76,
77,
77,
78,
78,
79,
79,
80,
80,
81,
81,
82,
82,
83,
83,
84,
84,
85,
85,
86,
86,
87,
87,
88,
88,
89,
89,
90,
90,
91,
91,
92,
92,
93,
93,
94,
94,
95,
95,
96,
96,
97,
97,
98,
98,
99,
99,
100.
100. Thank you very much, Finn. You helped me so much.
Glad I could help you, Goat. Kids, if you enjoyed this math lesson, please hit that subscribe button for more. Bye, kids.